Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have the headset and its dongle ready. Plug the dongle into a USB port now, or press and hold the headset power to enter Bluetooth pairing. Once the dongle is recognized, make the headset the default playback and microphone device in your system's sound panel. This ensures audio routes correctly. If prompted, accept pairing codes. They match automatically for Logitech devices. Make sure firmware updates are allowed. Those improve stability. Then test audio with a quick clip or voice memo to confirm both speaker and mic work. Now configure sound precisely. Open Logitech G Hub or Logitune, check for firmware updates and apply them. This fixes audio issues and adds features. Next, set equalizer presets or manual EQ to emphasize voice frequencies. Once done, enable noise reduction and side tone so you hear yourself naturally. Adjust microphone input gain to avoid clipping. Aim for peaks around -6 dB. Finally, bind the headset mute and volume controls to their OS functions, and run a recording test to confirm levels and tonal. Finish by testing the headset in the apps you use most. Set the app's audio device to the Logitech headset and make a test call. If audio drops or mic fails, power cycle the headset, hold the connect button for 10 seconds to reset pairing, then repair. If problems persist, move the dongle to another USB port or use a shorter extension. Also disable exclusive mode in system sound properties so apps don't steal the device. That one-step reset usually restores normal operation. Try it before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.